How to make business card on Picsart. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to make or create business card using Picsart. Now to do this, you have to follow the simple method. Open up a browser and on the web address bar type in picsart.com and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home, which is going to look something like this. So here, what you want to do is press the magnifying glass icon from the top inside corner of your screen. Next thing, what else you want to do is on the search box, you could see there is right in center, type in business card maker. Once you do it, you could go ahead and filter it to templates. After you do it so, you could find a list of templates available in order to make a business card. Or you want to go ahead and select any of these template that is convenient for you. Now for now, I'm just gonna go with the simple one, that is this. Click on edit. When you click edit now button, you will be taken to the next page. You see the image and here go ahead and make some changes. Now since this is now you could see there is a watermark, so you could just select something that's not a premium account, that does not need a premium tool. So you go ahead and make changes with your information and you could just go ahead and add element, and this way you should be able to make a business card using your Picsart account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.